Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. It's a lovely weather today in Jeddah, and we're just almost 24 hours away from the start of Ramadan, inshallah. And I'm in a very good mood today, so I thought why not share some tips and tricks on technology with my social media friends. And so I have been working on a project, and almost like every other project that we work on, the teams are remote. Some of the team members are in Pakistan, some of them are in India, some of them are in Yemen as well, some of them are in US and Romania. So these are like different time zones. It's not a big problem between Pakistan, India, and Saudi because the time difference is almost 2 hours. But when you're dealing with people who are in completely different continents, it can become a problem, and it is really challenging to have to decide on a time where they're also available and you're also available. So what do I do to cope up with this problem, to find a proper time where all the team members can have a joint conference call and fix issues and discuss on ideas or find solutions. Now, my approach right now, as of now, is, since everybody is working remotely, is to rely less on conference calls. I know you might be thinking, how come we can have less conference calls? uh, I'm not denying the fact that conference calls are not useful. They are absolutely useful, and you can achieve a lot. You can resolve a lot of issues by just having a 15-minute or maximum 30-minute conference call. But since we're working with teams who are like in different continents and time zone, and the difference in time zone is an issue, what I do is, as a project manager, is to send instructions using like recorded videos. I'll screen, I'll do a screen recording session of the product itself, or I will use my tablet to draw ideas and record it using my microphone, and of course, the screen will be captured as well. And I have found it very useful because it still gives a natural feeling, and it's very quick because you can literally you can pretend like you're speaking to someone, or you're explaining them something on the blackboard or the whiteboard, whatever color whatever color you use. But at the same time, the other party can get the idea, and since we have like fast internet connection, you can just simply record videos and send it to them, and they can watch it whatever time is convenient for them. And then, of course, if there will be a lot of Q&A, which is the major benefit when you're doing a video conferencing call, so you can explain the idea to them and they can ask you questions. uh, the Q&A part is actually, I would say, the need for a Q&A is uh, is reduced because they can literally go back and rewatch the video, and and trust me, like, why do we have Q&A most of the time? It's either you're not able to understand the idea in the first place because you were not paying attention, or it's very rare that, I'm not saying it's not possible, but it is very rare that you are not explaining the idea in a good way. And let's say, okay, let's be honest, okay, if even if it happens, like, you did not explain the idea in the first place, so now you let the other person to either send you a recorded audio or video message, or send you a message, and that now we're talking about, we are focusing on a particular matter, a point. So we're not, you don't have to redo everything, so they can ask you specific questions that you can focus on. So it saves a lot of time, and I'm having very good results following this approach, instead of waiting for everyone to have to be in a conference call. And let's be honest, like, you will face a lot of logistical issues because not everybody can attend, especially if you have a large team size. Right now, the project we're working on, we are like more than 10 team members, and it really becomes a hassle waiting for everybody to attend. And of course, like, if even one person misses the meeting or the conference call, you have to maybe have a separate call with that person or send them the minutes of the meeting. So why not send the minutes of the meeting before having a conference call? Like let's not have a conference call and just simply record the message and send it to them so everybody can rewatch it at like and in the depends on them how many times they want to watch the video or and then if they have any questions they can use the different collaboration channels we have such as Slack, Click. Even if you use WhatsApp, that's okay. So yeah, that's my advice, or I would say tips and tricks, or uh, trade secrets, you name them, and I hope it will be beneficial. Let me know what do you think about it, and what tools and techniques you're using in managing remote teams. Thank you so much.